What's up guys, I am share new earning application. First time application download link video description. This earning application 100% trusted and I am withdraw already. Okay, Facebook options or only one signing options. Okay, signing and sign up same process. Okay, Brazil game same options. Try again now. Okay, games my level all complete. I am not playing these games. Okay, my available balance $40. Okay, and I am just invitation option. Click now. Okay, my referral code use $1 free. Try again now. Okay, and my total invitation and my total revenue. Okay, I'm back again now. Spin and coins earning and games play unlimited. Okay, games level complete and $1 $2 free. Okay, and I'm just click now ranking options. Okay, ranking number revenue 3000 plus dollars earning only one person. Okay, and my profile withdraw successfully all history and I am withdraw live share. Okay, $40 and score round and $20 and minimum withdraw $2. Okay, this earning application 100% trusted. Okay, and withdraw option I'm just click now TRX USDT PayPal GeoPay unlimited. Okay, Dana available and recommend at TRX withdraw. Okay, and I'm just click now TRX options and copy this URL. Okay, trust wallet address I am share and withdraw confirm and I am just waiting now. Okay, please subscribe to my channel TM Social Market YouTube channels and join my Telegram channel. Must be new update share.